Hello everybody, welcome to this video. As always, if you like this video, please hit the like button. If you want to comment, then please do, or if you've got any questions, then put it in the comments section anyway. If you want to share this video, please do that, and please subscribe. Many thanks, and let's get on with this video. Hi, and welcome to this video lesson with me, Clive, and Smiley the IT dog. So now, as I've been asked to expand on the Class C subnetworking, we're going to expand it into Class B. So with Class B, we're dealing with the third octet as well as the fourth octet. And by that, as you know, IP addresses are made up of 32 bits of 4 octets. So we have the first, dot the second, dot the third, dot the fourth. So the subnet mask itself is, we are stating all of these networks exist within this particular mask. So as we're dealing with the Class B and we're dealing with this third octet here, we're going to mask these with ones, okay, all the way. So there's 8 there, there's 8 there, okay? So we know that that's going to be 255.255, and we'll go all the way up to the 6th bit on the third octet. So we know that's going to be .252, okay? And then .0. Now that's the mask, okay? So if we now take, so we're going to remove this a minute and we're going to take just that third and fourth octet. So let's put the third and fourth octet up. So this is the third and the fourth. So we've borrowed up to here. This means anything here is the host, and anything here is the network. So how many hosts do we actually get? Well, if we start at 2 and we double all the way across, we get 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128, 256, 512, 1024, but we have to minus 2, so we end up with 1022 hosts per network. Now, given the fact that our networks are going to start at 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128, they're going to go up in 4s. So the first network will be a 0, so it will be 255.255.0, then .4, then .8, .12, .16. So it goes up in 4s each time. So our first host, with our first network of 00001, if we're looking at 4, our first host would have to be 00000000001, with our last host being within this network. If we say this is exactly the same here and we have a 1, the last host would be 1111111110, okay, which would mean it would be minus 2 from the next network. So we know the next network starts at 8. So that would mean our host range would be 255.255 dot, and then we've got to look at the first network. So it would be, we're looking at .4 here, .1, okay, which would mean that our last address would be .7.254, because 255 would be the broadcast address, and our next network will be .8. So hopefully that explains how we can expand the fourth octet into a Class B of the third octet and utilising that for subnetting too. Thank you very much. Hopefully that helped. Any questions, just let me know in the comments. Bye bye.